Hey guys, my name is Hollingham here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get free ringtones on your phone without using a computer or jailbreaking. Yes. You want to download this app and GarageBand and any ringtones app. And okay, so let's just pick a song. Pick a ringtone.
I must admit, I did not expect someone so young and inexperienced to be so talented.
And I didn't expect someone so old to go this long without going to the bathroom.
Okay, let's just get the Star Wars ringtone. You want to download it?
Hey, I brought you some fruit to keep your energy up. Send his king to the canteen.
And then you want to send it to yourself via email or text.
Oh, merci, I love apples.
Good, because I took your queen. How do you like them apples? Boom goes the dynamite.
Okay, so I sent it to myself on email.
In no more than 6 moves, she will have him in checkmate.
That's incredible. Or as they say in Paris, les poulets sont des brillants lustres.
Jesse, nobody in bed says the chickens are shining their shoes.
Okay, so and you download it.
You know, I was just about your age when I started to play this sport.
See, I told you it is a sport.
But my family, they put too much pressure on me, so I quit and ran away. Ever since my soul has been heavier than my mother's souffle.
You want to open it in here.
Get kick.
That's a sad story. You should really go see your family.
That is why I play this tournament. If I win this trip, I can go and make my peace with him.
This is it. She has his king trapped. All she has to do is move her queen. Do you believe in miracles? Huh?
Checkmate.
Do you believe in completely predictable outcomes? Clem Brulee, the expert, has won. I'm sorry, Jesse.
It's okay. I know you did your best. Actually, she let me win. What? You didn't do your best? She
Just
threw the
think.
match so that the poor old man could go and see his family. You have done a good job with this one. Merci, Zoe.
Okay, after doing all that, I sent it to myself. Wrong thing. I sent it to myself, and I can just do that. Copy. This is where you're gonna need GarageBand. Once you get GarageBand, you want to get in GarageBand.
Don't worry, I will get to Paris eventually. You get travel discounts when you're over 65, right?
Yeah, guys.
Have a tea party ready?
Okay, guys. My name is Hollingham. We're doing part 2. This is gonna be connected.
Chess babes.
Okay. You want to go into audio recorder, and you want to wait till the text loads. If it doesn't load, you want to go play the drums for a second, like I did earlier.
Whatever Bertram wants, he gets. May I suggest you have them massage that mysterious birthmark on your butt? That's cruel and unusual punishment.
Okay, you want to go into here, and you want to tap add, and add it, and you want to add it to the second part, and have it. So let's just... Yes, Star Wars. You want to add it to my songs. Then you want to press select and do that. Then you want to press this one, the one at the end on iPhone 5. Yes. Instead of going anywhere up here, you want to go down here and there's going to be ringtone. And you can name it. So we're going to name it Star Wars. And you want to press export. And it's exporting as a ringtone. And you're done. Hey guys, my name is Hellington. Back here. We're just finishing and showing that there's ringtones.
Is that my watch? Okay. I take your stuff sometimes, but I didn't take your joy buzzer. Did so? Did not. Jesse!
What are you missing?
Sorry, took my toy. No, I didn't. And Luke smells, which is
Okay, guys.
but still true. Enough. I'm at the end of my rope with you two arguing all the time.
Me.
It's official. Tony will let anyone up.
I am a Bertram bot from the future, here to terminate Jesse Prescott.
What, terminate? Really? What are you gonna do? Take off your shoes?
Jesse Prescott target identified. Prepare yourself for termination.
Okay, and since Star Wars, also with the two others I did this morning, it works perfectly, and do that and you're done.
And now I will end your life.
Oh, so you're gonna kill me with frosting?
Now guys, this is the end of this episode, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video.